Hi, today I'm reviewing Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the sound and vibration section. Here you'll see ringtone, notification, alarm volume, media volume and call volume panels. So just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on the volume panels. Here we got volume adjustment mode, so you could switch it from the stock Android to the Asus optimized. Let's go back. We could also activate and turn off the outdoor mode with the help of the switcher. With volume panel switching options, we got here a native menu and tap to switch. Let's go back. Here we could use the complete mode option with the help of the switcher. In volume sensing option, we got here ring and notification and turn off volume sensing. Also we could use the smart ringtone option. To change volume key default control, you should switch the ringtone volume to media one. So now, for example, with the help of the volume buttons, we'll switch the media. We could switch it to the ringtone. Also, we could be in the media player and to show media recommendations with the helping of the switchers. We could also switch, activate here the audio wizard option. To use the Bluetooth volume control, to activate and turn off the don't disturb option, the priority mode, shortcut to prevent ringing and to switch it from vibrate to mute mode, to change alarm and notification sound, and in effects section we got here dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, touch sounds and startup sounds. So to turn on and turn off all of these options we should use the switchers. And in vibration and haptic section we got here the switcher, so we could switch all of these settings just by slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the panels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.